Hello. I just thought I would give you guys a good tool to have on your toolbar is Google, and it's in Google Chrome store. So just type in Chrome Web Store, and then you want Read Aloud. This looks like it's the easiest one to use, and it looks like this. You may have had this on there, but that one I've been having some kinks with. So try this Read Aloud, a text to speech voice reader, and add to Chrome. And yes, you want to add the extension. And this will go to your Chrome toolbar. So it's on there no matter what device you're on. As long as you're logged into your Google account, you will have this. So now I'm going to go to the seventh grade um, work for this week. And if I go up here, and I'm just on this first one, and I come over to the toolbar and go to that big like blowhorn is what it looks like. If you click on that, you probably won't hear it reading to you because these screencasting sites won't let you um, hear it, but it just read this page and you can see that it popped up with a new window. So if I go here, let's go down to this one and let me do the read. And it will read it to you and it highlights what it's reading. So that really helps you out and it kind of gets rid of the images and things in the background stuff. So it's a lot easier to work with. So if you're not sure, like here on this question for the seventh graders, they have this big question. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it's going to read the whole slide. Okay, here now is the question. So that would be a great way to have it read to you. So if you want a screen reader, go ahead and use that. Hey, let's see what the final page, let's see what it sounds like. Okay, and if you want to go to settings when you're on this, and you can do, I think there's different English voices. You can do UK. Oh, there's Google US English. And you can fix the speed if you want them to talk slower, you can do that. The pitch, the volume's already up. Text highlighting, if that bugs you, then you can turn it off. Let's see what this, I'm going to see what this one sounds like. Oh, it's the same as everything else. You can do audio select or you can have it into the English one. Okay, so I hope that helps you out a little and you did it. Great job. So go ahead and add read aloud. It says right up there, read aloud, a text to speech voice reader. So then you can use that if you need it to read to you. Okay, hope you guys are doing okay. I just thought I'd push this out early so you could have it ready to go for Monday. I'm not trying to stress you out, just thought it would be kind of handy to get these extensions on your toolbar now. And if you don't do it till Monday, that's fine too. Just remember, we're all working on this. Have patience with the teachers too. Okay, I miss your smiling faces. Bye.